I remember when my mother told me the best things they don't come easy. I had no idea how real that was. She said, don't stop dreaming, you got to keep believing. It will all be worth it one day. Oh, I can't believe I made it. I can't believe I made it.
Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the second episode of our Oman trip.
Yeah, so right now we just stopped by and having some breakfast at the hotel because today we're going to a couple of the most beautiful natures here in Oman. We're gonna do some hiking as well as swimming, so make sure that you guys are fed up and ready to go before the trip.
I should turn around and take a picture. Capture how I feel, I won't forget, yeah. The way you got me in it don't make sense, no. But that's what you do, yeah. You move, I move, we move into the future. I got a million reasons why I trust you. The way my days are good, days beside you. So I buy you, so I buy you.
I'm not trying to stay on the surface. Comfort ain't working, I know when it ain't certain, but I think that it's worth it to go.
Oman is known for its long beaches along the Indian Ocean, the dramatic Harsha Mountains, the desert, and its friendly and accessible people. Oman also has a surfeit of nature wonders that are surprisingly easy and inexpensive to explore. Today we are going to two must-see nature wonders in Oman, Bima Sinkhole and Wadi Shab. Hey guys, so we just arrived at our first stop of the day, which is a sinkhole.
Right, so this sinkhole is only an hour and a half from Muscat, so if you want to have a day trip here, then it's perfect if you're staying in Muscat. This is also one of the Moscow natural wonders of Oman that's easiest to get to, right? You basically just drive here and park in the parking lot. It's not too difficult to get in.
Bima Sinkhole is a water-filled depression, structurally a sinkhole, a lake of turquoise waters. It's 50 meters by 70 meters wide and approximately 20 meters deep. The sinkhole was formed by a collapse of the surface layer due to dissolution of the underlying limestone. But it has a romantic Arabic name as the falling star, because locals believe that it was created by a meteorite. Our final destination today is Wadi Shab. This wadi is an enormous canyon gorge that is lined with palm trees and impressive indications of what the power of the water coming down from the mountains can do in nature.
I've been spending far too much time with my headphones on. I've been learning all the words as I listen to the same old songs.
One person warrior for 2 weeks.
Okay.
We take you from here to there. When you finish, you come same place. We take you back.
Okay.
And then, if you want, we have a board guiding because from there, if you want to go to the end, you will walk 45 minutes, and then you have to swim like 15 minutes, 3 pools to reach cave.
Yeah.
Inside the cave, waterfall, but the water very deep. So if you want, I will check if have they rent 1 riyal, 1 life jacket.
So comfortable, then you know how it goes, I suppose. To each their own. sight, but today I'll invite something new into my home. So darkness, darkness, come on in. I won't hide from you again.
Hey guys, so we are here at the Wadi shop, which is one of the most beautiful wadis in Oman. So they have a hiking trail as well as like a, I guess like a canyon. So you can do a little bit hiking and swimming here. But before you come though, make sure that you bring your hiking shoes as well as a pair of sandals, because there are a lot of mini rocks inside on the bottom of the river, and those hurts, man.
Yeah, so basically you drive your car and park under the bridge.
Yeah, just search for Wadi shop parking. It will take you right to the entrance of the parking lot.
Yeah, and then you can take the boat. It's 1 rial. It's like a Oman money.
Yeah,
They're gonna take you across the river.
and they will take you back as well.
Yeah,
But
then
be
you
mindful
can,
of time that their last boat returns at 5 p.m. So just make sure that you are there at where they dropped you off by 5 p.m. Otherwise, you're stuck here forever. Follow me, guys. You don't need a tour guide. I'm all you need. I'm all that you need.
So we researched. There are like 3 pools after the hike. Until the middle of the second one, you don't have to swim. And I think I'm just gonna stop when I reach somewhere I cannot touch the bottom of the pool. Also, because my camera is not waterproof, so I cannot bring my camera to the cave. But the scenery here is already worth the hike.
Yeah, exactly. It's just different, you know. Like if you're living in a city and you're in the nature, it's just different. It's definitely worth the drive already. We haven't even touched the water yet.
Yeah.
But look at that, man. Oh, look at that, man. It's huge. Reminds me of that story. What is it, Jack and the Monster or something? Where there was like a huge tree of this, and the guy just climbs up all the way, something like that.
Do they have wild animals here at night?
Well, I smell the poop in the air. There's definitely some sorts of animal, wild goats maybe.
So this path is pretty narrow. Definitely wear sneakers for hiking.
The unknown lives when lights go dim. So here we are, let's begin.
Remind me of Zion National Park. Check out my video if you haven't watched my Zion travel vlog.
Glass, grab a seat and ask him where he's been. 'Cause I'm looking for nothing less.
This is a water spot we just found.
You're not allowed to swim here though, but you can just come here and take some great photos.
Yeah, so we're gonna continue our hike. But I do wear my swimming suits inside in case I want to get into water later.
Darkness, darkness, come on in. I won't hide from you again. The unknown lives when lights go dim. So here we are, let's begin. No, I won't hold back and I won't keep out the dark. I know we don't talk about. I'll have my fears, but I'll have no doubt. It's at my door and it's knocking. So darkness, darkness, my old friend.
So guys, just in case if you get lost, just follow the black arrows on the rocks.
Yeah.
Those are your directions. How far is the pool, guys?
5 minutes walk. It's around 5 minutes out there.
Yes.
Yep. And then you have another 20 minutes swimming.
Oh yeah.
So good luck with that one.
Thank you.
20 minutes رجعة.
After several narrow paths, it opens up again. I think we're just gonna reach the first pool today since we don't have enough time to the end, I guess. So if you guys wanna come to the cave, come earlier. Hey guys, so we just arrived at the first pool.
Colors explode like the 4th of July. Summertime glow got me feeling alright. We know, let's go. The sun is calling and we're out in the street. We're all
Actually, the water here is a little bit cold because it's under shades, but I still enjoyed it.
Tastes so sweet and I can't deny it. Life's a treat, I just wanna try it. This is the good life. Soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams.
Oh my god, I can feel the fishes are biting my feet and my legs. It's just like a fish massage.
Everything's alright. We're living out our dreams. Yeah, this is the good life. Roll the window down, 'cause it's 80 degrees. No traffic on the road, summer life is a breeze. We know. Let's go.
Color fish. That doesn't know how to swim.
I know!
Deny it, life's a treat. I just wanna try it. This is the good life. Soak in the good vibes.
Hey guys, so we just finished swimming, like very short swimming.
Yeah, because the last boat leaves at 5, so we gotta make it back in time.
Yeah,
Catch the boat.
yeah. Alright, let's get back.
It was tiring, man. But we made it back though, in time.
The boat is coming to pick us up.
Yeah, it's here.
Under open skies, we all come alive. Let the world slow down and wonders here now. Under open skies, we all come alive. We all come alive.
Hey guys, so we are here at the one of the local Indian restaurants because there is also a large number of Indian expats working here in the Oman, just like the UAE, and so we picked one of the best reviewed Indian restaurants. We had no idea what to order, so basically everything was just recommended by the manager. I have no idea what this is, but I guess you just eat it like chips.
Like a cracker.
Yeah, like a cracker. It's pretty good actually. The sauce is a little bit spicy. Here's the vinegar, this is soy sauce.
Hope you are enjoying that. Spicy is fine, no?
Yeah.
You can manage. Yeah? Very good. Thank
What's
you.
the name of the dish?
This is called Varutta curry. Varutta means actually a South Indian language which is pronounced shallow pan fry. Varutta means, yeah. Curry means a chicken.
Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good.
Enjoying that, I hope. Yeah?
Thank
Please,
you.
thank you so much.
It's hard. I don't even want it no more. You said don't start. Probably shouldn't listen no more.
It's really good. You know, it's very rich in flavors. They use a lot of spices, different spices, but it's also very oily. You know, that's the main problem. But it's good though. Don't eat it every day, but just have it once a month or something.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the trip.
And if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel. See you.